Baking a chocolate cake seems impossible in 10 minutes, right? Let's do this with the LG Neochef Microwave, because if I don't shock you on this app, who will?
We are going to start with our Oreos biscuits. You're going to break that down. Just add some crunch to the cake. Add your cups of flour, some sugar. You're going to add some cocoa powder and next some baking powder. The measurement is going to be in the caption. Put in your salt and then you're going to mix all of this together. Next is our eggs. I'm putting in about 2 eggs, a little bit of oil, and then you're going to add your milk. You can use powdered milk dissolved in water. Finish up by adding some vanilla extract, and now you can mix all of that together until it looks good like this. Now once you have this, you're going to butter your baking pan. That Oreos biscuits will go to the bottom of the pan, and then pour in your cake mix. Now this is going to go into my LG Neochef Microwave, and guys, set the timer to just 10 minutes. Guys, you won't believe that this was ready in 10 minutes. And guys, this is what we have. Now look at that. We're going to take that out of the pan. You want to make sure you put in your skewer and it comes out dry. That's the test to know that it's fully baked. Did a bit of decor, and guys, this looks so delicious. Just like that, a chocolate cake in 10 minutes.
If you love what you just watched and you think you can do it too, join the LG Insider community. See, you get a chance to try out this LG Neochef Microwave, and you see the link in my bio. Go and enjoy it today. And remember guys, life's good.